usually comes before, okay? Before the noun. So let's think about our language. So what happened in your language? What is the usual order for adjective and nouns?
Order?
Yeah. So before adjective comes before noun or after nouns?
Before.
Is it true for every adjective?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the kamali? We can use it, right?
Huh?
How about the kamali? Can we use it?
How about what?
Beautiful girl.
Oh, I heard that comment.
Well, adjective comes before noun.
Is it true?
Yeah.
Is it true for every time? So if you say so 学到夜
Yeah.
No.
你呢句學到夜 講呢嘢學到夜 ရှိ嚟㗎
But in English, Che, but this is not. This is what you're saying is Burmese, so.
Yeah, the question B, look at question B. What happened in your language?
Oh, I forgot Burmese.
Oh.
So yeah.
现在话，现在两完全不同的。adjective plus noun plus adjective.
Yeah, before noun and after
Yeah,
noun.
before noun and after noun.
We use, right? We use both before noun and after noun.
Yes, yeah.
We rarely use, but we can use 那把的講
Okay, you like the only use so that.
You don't use so like it's used as a complement.
အဲ့ဒါရ MS စာကိုပြီးရင်ပြောအောင်မလို့မင်းက
Yeah, that's why I told him. Yeah, that's a compliment. It's as a compliment, right?
မင်းရှိတယ်
မင်းရက်ရှည်လိုက်တာ
မင်းရရှင်းပဲ
မင်းရက်ရှည်လိုက်တာ
မင်းရရှင်းပဲလို့အဲ့လိုအရှင်းလို့ရှိတယ်
你讲出来，你讲。
ဟုတ်တယ်အဲ့အရှင်း
当然的。
Okay.
你有招了。
The beauty is running away now. So now let's go to number 2. Okay, did you do number 2?
No.
Oh.
No.
Yes.
Not yet. Okay, so number 2. You have to read quickly. Okay, quickly read through the 2 texts and sentences again, and find at least, not at most, right? At least 3 more examples of adjective plus noun combination. In each test, compare your example with the patterns, right? So I will give you
1 minute.
So where is section
5
C,
minutes.
Che? So where is section C, Che?
Section C are, data source and your right. There are 2 texts, right? Among those 2 texts, you have to look for some of the adjective plus noun combination, right? So I'll give you 5 minutes. Let's see how many words, how many combinations can you find.
Only 3 or more than
At least
Reading?
yes. At least 3. But there are maybe about 16 or 15 words. Yeah, I'll give you 5 minutes. That's time. Time is 43, just finished at 48. Read the whole text and then underline or maybe write down the notes. You have to write down the notes, right? Adjective plus noun.
Section C. What? C William. Who's the one?
ဟုတ်တယ်
Okay, I don't know. What question do you have? Question what about? Bao là. Cái gì đó. Basic point của tổng Spanish discount point của tổng Because the discount point kan now special point. Okay, special
我妈都是背心，
秃的，你妈这个太化了，秃的，这秃下了，
妈的，
Adjective special.
背人是背心是背心，
我 special 的，
好不好？Amazing.
没事的，没事的，
背心的，
没事的，
关系English special，
你妈这
妈的是背心，
special 高的，妈，靠这个年大。
Bro, you're so random, but it's so fun.
毛里面有的，
靠这个就反正拿对呢，没错吧？
第一个，毛里面有的。
YouTube 登录，那个登录一样。
Hey, I told you there are around around 16. 16 both, yeah. For both that there are 16.
Yes.
Maybe above 16 or maybe around 16.
So I have to find.
Yeah, you have to find more.
Just like find it.
Not only doing okay, find more.
Only adjective.
Adjective is noun.
Now.
Adjective, yeah, adjective combination, right?
Yeah, my
Read the question, read the question. Read the instruction carefully.
At least it's a.
Teacher, are numbers adjective?
Right.
Numbers are adjective, right?
No. What kind of numbers? No.
Teacher,
I don't know.
So
are
you mean
my,
Yeah.
your is adjective, right? My, yours is adjective.
my,
Your, your.
your no. That's a pronoun. This is a pronoun.
Oh,
Today is like a disaster.
Every day is disaster, but
I hate that word.
you get used to it. 你爱我，你看我这个，你把
I'm
它
totally used to it.
来平常来。
这是爸妈，
Every day is full of
这是爸妈，还有，
来平常的。我们你也你也你也，
这是爸妈，
来是。
这是，
That was so fun.
这是一个英文字，再来，
Yeah, G or number. I don't know. Number? No. G. Access to treatment of type. Also. Actually,
Andrew? What are you guys at?
Sure, is it 3 minutes
What?
included?
I'm calling Andrew, not you. Andrew and Andrew.
That too much here is on the
看下是没有，
yeah, kind of similar. 什么？你他妈对不起吧，看。And 我但看
看住，哎，你还用来今天住的，我非得
我按他一按那个看。
不要再
看起来。
What?
Amazing price
干呢？
哎，
Amazing price 的，
还有 amazing price，
就是那样子。Tightest.
Confusion in my mind. I won't found that.
Yeah.
If there are like repeating phrases.
No need.
Okay.
If it's in the repeating, you have to skip it.
How many boys have you found?
你可能会 abuse 意外，然后特别的 OK。把你看不一样。Amazing English 这块有。这个这样。这个。
Yeah, time is up.
No.
Fantastic education. So, fantastic.
Okay, so for the the source. What is the first one?
Amazing prize.
Special discount price.
New apps.
Good.
New apps.
Oh yeah.
How about 누가 안 된다. 유계시야, 유계시.
New apps.
그게 말이
And the next one, special.
Special discount price.
Discount price. Okay. And the next one.
amazing app.
Amazing price.
Normal download price.
Yeah,
Normal
normal
price.
download price.
And
Okay,
amazing
next one,
app.
Amazing app.
Okay.
Amazing image.
Up-to-date.
Yeah, up-to-date app.
Online puzzle.
Up-to-date app and online puzzle. Next one is online puzzle.
So one online puzzle.
Online here is the adjective.
Really? That in our we call it internet.
No online puzzle.
What was?
Internet is signed off.
어디다?
오.
근데 실제는
온라인 뭐 게임.
전에 뭐
온라인 게임.
전에 뭐
Yoda. Mong lý với Yoda.
Okay, online puzzle. The next one is that.
Discount
Discount price. Yeah, next.
amazing
Amazing image.
Amazing images. Amazing prices then, right? Amazing images.
Amazing
Amazing
price.
price. Yes. Next one.
Incredible app.
Yeah, incredible app. Yes, fantastic. Fantastic app.
Huge
And
number of prices.
yes, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Using 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 minutes. And next one.
Favorite.
Favorite
Okay, favorite
movies.
movies. Yes, good. Favorite movies and of course new releases.
The life of but simple app.
Yeah, delightful, bad, simple app, and then
Huge number.
huge number.
Loyalty.
Loyalty. No, loyalty is the adverb.
Yeah.
Oh. For real.
And the next one, next purchase. Next purchase, right? Next purchase is adjective.
Next purchase.
Next is adjective here.
Purchase. Oh.
Yeah. And then next one, yeah, monthly.
No question.
Monthly digital.
어, 만디.
Monthly digital newsletter.
만디야. 나스.
Yeah.
How about no
last
question
time,
of
though.
friend? Guarantee. No questions of guarantee. Isn't it the same with everything else? What is it?
What is it called?
It's $5 off.
money digital.
Loyalty.
How about new releases?
This is sentence.
This is sentence.
Rewind.
This is sentence.
This is sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No questions of guarantee.
Em cũng là có cái mà được rồi.
Có cái
Có cái mà.
Can you make sure that?
No questions of guarantee.
I can't see where.
Is it the $5 off?
Oh, the real one, the box. You're gonna tell me, okay, the box, $5 for box. You can save even more by signing up to download the mini. Oh, you mean the mini-man of the real apps, or which one?
No questions of guarantee.
Oh, no question asked guarantee.
Yeah.
No, this is verb. It's used like a verb.
How is that? Isn't it the same with something like everything else?
If you say so, how about money back?
What?
Money back.
What
If you say so, if you say so, no question asked is adjective. So how about money back? Money back is
money is now.
money is now, right?
Back is also now. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Photo squeeze.
yeah, no is adjective.
No.
No, no, it's not adjective right here.
But how about after date? None of these are adjectives. Ab is preposition.
No. That's it. We cannot separate it. Up to date is just only there as a phrase for that.
I see.
Yeah.
But no questions asked here is also a phrase. They use
Okay, so how would you translate that one? Okay, Mego Meya Melo Document. You mean like that?
Yeah.
You know.
That is adjective.
Okay.
Okay.
Why check it?
So how about others? How about you, Idea?
So can I understand you? Why manly is adjective?
Hmm?
Manly.
Manly.
Lastly.
And what is it?
Lastly.
Manly, you can check. You can check in Google.
Or ly father.
No, even though it is ly, it's not adverb.
Oh.
Okay, manly is manly. Even though it is end with the ly, it's not adverb. It's adjective. Yeah.
Let me check.
So how about you? Okay, your friend suggested why no question asked granny. Well, we don't highlight.
You said the last thing. The last thing.
No. I mean no,
No
questions.
question asked granny.
No question asked Granny.
Yeah, no question asked. Is it adjective here?
Guaranteeing all.
So don't you think that's an adjective?
Which one?
I think I agree with question asked is
She agrees with you.
like a verb three, past participle, which means like, for example, when you say light a candle, it means the candle is
That is like
light. We use past participle as like
Passive voice.
now.
Here, no guarantee, no question asked guarantee on all happens to be here is that each phrase is like used as a how should I say passive voice. No one would ask you any question related to their application.
Isn't it something like who agree you? So that is adjective.
美國美強到時也咪路多
That's still adjective.
Yeah. Okay. But okay, let me check with the given one, the given answer.
Yes.
No, it doesn't mention that. So let's check next. And yes, next. Let's check next. Is it adjective or adverb? Can we use next as an adjective or adverb?
Next.
Yeah, next.
Yes.
Not next. Yes,
Next.
pronunciation next.
I mean, we can use next level.
Next.
Next level.
Cause.
Next person.
Okay.
Next.
Right.
Next.
And okay, so next one. Yeah, in my point of view, we cannot choose as a adjectiveless noun this one. Lina, you asked me the question and I'm answering you.
Oh, sorry, I'm looking.
Okay, yeah. So for this one, no question asked granny here is not. It doesn't show that the adjective sense. Even though we translated in adjective. Here. Let's see. Let's look for some of the adjective here. No, it's not. It doesn't It doesn't give any sense for adjective and question as well. Asked it also here. Asked it as using as a passive voice here.
Past tense.
Passive voice. Asked ed is like a passive voice. You know that. So you don't need to be asked any question for the granny, right? So it doesn't give any sense of adjective, that's why they don't highlight. So
What about left ones? Like LOVD left, one as one, your left one. Like in that one, left is past.
like beloved one.
Yeah. So
Took care.
isn't it also an adjective? But it's also a.
Okay, so let's look for that phrase, right? Is there any explanation about that? Okay, please type no hyphen question hyphen and asked. Is that adjective? No question asked, adjective plus noun. Okay, yeah, so we can take it if so. Thank you. Thank you, Selena. So here the dictionary. If the dictionary says adjective, we can highlight it as well. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's make one more note. No question asked already.
It is an adjective.
Yeah, it's adjective. It shows adjective here. Coverage.
No question asked granted.
Yes.
Granted or granted?
Granted.
Granted.
Not granted. Granted.
Granted.
Yeah.
Guarantee.
You have to the light sound T.
Like T.
Actually,
T.
Not granted.
Guarantee.
Okay, so now let's go to your right text. For your right text. You read. Okay, you read. That's still the highlight one. Amazing online webzine or website?
you right.
Webzine.
Magazine or magazine?
Magazine.
It's not magazine.
Magazine.
Have you ever read magazine?
Yes. Well, one of us.
Yes,
the
one
boy.
C.
Yeah, I used to like magazine. Oh, that boy. Novel.
I read a magazine.
Yeah.
This online. And
Okay, so the first one is the magazine. Amazing unique website. Right?
amazing unique.
Yes.
Unique website. Okay, so what's next? What's next?
Next issue.
Yeah, next issue. Yeah, next one is next issue. Do you see that one next issue?
Yes.
Sent as you're writing by 30 June, blah blah blah, in that sentence. Next issue. And how about next?
Teacher, can you please repeat the page?
Page 8. Page 8.
Page 8. Page 1. Page 8.
Page 8.
Page 8.
Where is?
Page 8.
Oh,
Page 8.
Magazine. Page 8. Unique.
We are really learning English here.
Teenager.
Teenager. Thanks God that you guys did 10 and angel.
Yeah. And yeah.
Panda.
Angel and angel.
Pentamo.
Okay. So next one, how about next? Okay.
Funny or serious original
Yeah,
creative
funny,
story.
serious, original, creative story. Yes, and the next.
Interesting person.
Interesting person, good.
Unusual place.
Unusual place.
Funny pet.
Funny pet. Yes.
Extreme weather.
Extreme weather. Okay. Extreme weather. Is it extreme?
Yes, extreme dull weather. It makes sense.
Yes.
Dull weather.
Yep.
Extreme weather. Yes. The next one.
Inspired writing.
Inspired writing. Yes. Okay. Good.
Nothing in my opinion, I think.
New one. Yes, new cinema.
Where?
Oh, page 4.
No, page 8.
Page 8.
Page 9.
Look at team.
Hmm?
Look at team.
She's at page 9. That's right.
Drama festival.
Look at what? Look at team. Yes. Look at team.
Recent match.
Why do they
Recent match. Yes.
How about drama festival?
Drama festival 特酷嘅
Drama festival.
Drama 的 festival 好好
Oh, the dramatic festival 嘛。
맞아
Makes sense.
Okay. Makes sense. Yes.
Makes sense is
I knew this many facts.
so true.
Haju Day is telling the truth at the blue day.
Actually, he's really right.
Yeah, neat.
So why do you call blue? I still understand what the blue moon.
I thought blue was
Because
a
this
good
is
color.
happy.
Yeah, I know blue was a.
No, actually in
That's why I
English,
wear it.
in English, you know, have you ever heard Blue Night?
Yes.
Yeah.
Blue Night, the song's Blue
Yes,
Night.
yes.
Blue night.
Yes,
I don't know.
In the blue.
Yeah. 되게 짜오르 blue night.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Oh, you did?
지방 가는 자.
Huh? Yeah, that's
Wait, let me open the sound.
Open it. Open. No, that is not the song. That is the wrong one. That is the wrong one.
These ads again.
What did you say? What did you say?
I got
What did you say? What did you say? I heard.
He said ads.
ADS.
Advertisements.
Ads.
I mean, it's not ads because ADS.
Ads. Not silver.
Yeah.
Not the
You just said that at first. Okay, at first. You just said at first. Not
I
ads.
just saying.
He said not ads. Not silver.
啊，把面麻
Those training, man.
都係個面麻先啦。
English you know.
好嗰啲。
哦，一直寫喎。
哦，邊個啲？
唔係打先。
Baby, you haven't asked it to me like that. Magdalena, right? Blue night. So
Oh, Angelo.
the meaning of blue in English is
Yeah.
different from Burmese, right?
哦。
Yeah, blue here means that in blue night means he missed his goal.
呀呀，不是面麻麻說嘛，每個你都每個你都做埋，每個你
The straight
解。
translation is not yeah is maybe like kebiasaan or
Yeah. How about out of blue? How about out of blue? What is that? Out of-
I miss my mom.
Yes.
Sorry.
We are the same.
Yes,
All of us are the
same.
same.
We are the
So
same.
here it's a blue day is you are unlucky and you are unhappy.
How about black day? How about black day?
Black Friday. And work day.
How about
Teacher, what is white day, Che?
Black Friday is not like that. Black Friday is like the promotion
Oh,
day
yeah,
for
promotion
some
day.
country.
Sure.
How about white day?
Black Friday.
White day就比較酷啲嘅。
Why is?
外地講 White House 不是個，外地個是。
啊，
你們兩個。
White day cream.
White Day 是
Black king cream.
哦，就 white day 就 Valentine's Day 嘅到位，睇嚟講。
Dude, why is it white?
仲有仲有一種應該也不利。
冇 Japanese culture 嚟嘅咪。
No. No.
White day.
No. Depends. March.
啊，你行啊？啊，另
So I
外
guess it's夏威夷，夏威夷。
white day。
No, I look young.
啊，你票有咩啦？你記得都。我會。
阿仔係咪數阿仔㗎？阿仔，你俾數兩年阿仔。
We can't do your phone. We
He's
can't do
not
your
your
phone.
friend, okay? So now let's go to next. Use cinema and local. Look at team, and then next one is recent.
And
Match.
Recent match. Yeah, recent match and
Dramatic.
National festival.
First name.
First name.
Yeah, first name.
No
No family name.
Family.
First name. Yeah, first name and last birthday. Yes, last birthday.
Not so
And
so. My opinion on my race. These guys.
two more left.
Next.
Two more left.
Number.
Two more left.
Yeah, two more left.
Other products.
Okay.
Email us.
Yeah.
Email us. Elon Musk. Hello everyone.
Other products. Next one is other products.
Other product.
Yeah.
How about email us?
Email is a noun.
千万好，我 Maxi 呢？
Maximum.
不够呛，
Maximum
Maximum. Maximum. You mean maximum word?
不好像没有，不够呛，当然了，那加一起来，加一起没但
啊，不是拿到哪？我想干嘛知道的？不够呛。
我讲的错吧？没有基本问题，懂你答得到吧？一起没有，
我要这个不够呛，先话了，看来我那些也不够呛。
那多少年的，希望你了解懂吗？没加一点再加个有的我，有点不能
medical 医院去哪呢？
啊
medical 医院去哪呢？
是那来
到人讲我去哪呢？
现在不是加一了，没鼓捣没别些，看到我谢谢好。
哎，你outside 的对的。
好怕的。
Okay. Discuss it. Okay, discuss it. This discussion will be out of the class. Okay. After the class. Yeah, you better ask
Yeah, we are not the
Alex
same.
about that.
把密码。
对，不在乎这个。
你过认识了。
You will go to YouTube, okay, and then type in how the you said it.
I don't want to be rude, but you can ask your parents.
No. Even his parent doesn't know about that. If he's No. They don't know exactly how to become a human, okay? Because
They know.
No.
they don't know exactly.
But they know how to make.
No.
The sperm and the egg got combined, and millions of eggs formed, and one
That's in the book. Yeah. Okay, let's leave it.
to do
It's
with
not my own class. Okay, let's leave it.
Wait, Moby.
And the last one is the last one is search information.
Search information.
Yeah.
Search.
下跪吧。
Let's use CH search, no search.
How about last word?
As here, CH is a search. Here is a search.
Search.
You send you information.
Search information. The last
How about last word? Search.
last birthday is already.
Yeah, already.
Oh.
Search.
Email.
Contact.
No.
Click here.
Email us.
Select this box.
Click here.
info@urocks.edu.
info@urocks.edu. See the word check in section D.
Okay, so now let's go to next one. Number 3. Adjective can often be formed from other part of speech. Yep. So now let's fill up the blank. Let's fill up the blanks in the table. Special. The noun form was special.
Specialist.
Yeah, specialist.
Special.
Not special. Special is not
Specialist.
Special is adjective here.
Specialized.
Specialty
Specialization.
Yeah, specialization.
Specialization.
对了，他就是有个
Specialization.
按现你规定就买了，如果少点点钱的卖了。这张票
气象包。
这个上我
这个好像就觉得。
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
not good.
Sometimes it's good.
It's not good every time. It's not good every time. Yeah. Specialization.
Sometimes it's okay to be 取消。
And then anyone else? Specialty. There is a specialty. Specialty, specialization, and specialist.
Specialist's wife.
Yeah, and then And then how about next? Adverb.
Especially.
And then verb is
Specialized.
specialized. Okay.
Especially when.
L-I-S-E or L-I-Z-E?
Especially.
SE
SE
was correct. SE was correct.
Especially another word. Especially.
Yeah. This is not talking about especially. Especially is only just adverb. Yeah, we are talking about special. Yeah. The verb of special is specialized. The L-I-S-E or L-I-Z-E?
S-E.
For the correct.
Yes.
Yeah, it goes both ways.
Right? I-S-E is. I-S-E is. Okay, UK or US?
Bro.
UK, right? I-Z-E is US.
Is the UK British? No.
British.
Oh, I hate British. I'm gonna hit you with a
So let's go to incredible. Incredible, the noun form of incredible.
Now, incredibility. Incredible. No, machine can now.
They too have only to their own world.
There and there.
Our whole new world.
信息上来的，上来头嘛，
其實係因為你兩個。Yes, thanks. You're speaking facts, man. You're a legend.
Why?
Oh, don't do it.
Who will go first then? Who will go first? Lady first or boy first?
Lady first.
You will go first.
And I will never come back. Just kidding. It's a unique thing.
Yeah, you need to okay. You have to cue it, okay? You have to cue. Okay, so the first one, don't flash the word, okay?
Huh? Why?
If the first one flash word,
Yeah.
everybody gets.
Use your brain, bro. Use your brain.
Oh.
Brain, man. Relax.
I mean, we paid money for this. So they should pay the bill for that.
Flash your word,
I paid that for you.
Imagine if someone's gonna poop.
We had to
Like,
pay
you gotta flash it, bro.
Okay, so which one was you wanna try one or two?
3.
你是
Did you pause the camera?
Yeah. No. 哎，我书包买张好吗？快点。
What is the noun form of incredible? I'm not asking you, I'm asking you.
Incredible.
Incredible noun.
Yeah.
And R.
Are you sure?
Do my people.
Hello.
In non-like.
Yes, now the noun form of incredible.
Incredible restaurant.
It is really different, you know. Right now we're face and
He just like restaurants much. You can blame uniquely
stop there.
Is it okay that I say the synonyms?
Just say it.
Magnificent.
Where?
Here the table asks you to write about noun form.
Noun form of.
Incredulity.
Incredibility.
No, incredulity.
Incredulity.
Teacher.
So that's the word.
Incredible next.
incredible.
Huh?
Incredulity. I
Incredible.
should continue.
Yeah,
Incredulity.
incredulity. Incredulity.
Incredibly.
Incredulity.
Incredulity.
Incredibly an adverb.
Yeah, incredibly is adverb. And no verb there, right?
Yeah.
Incredible.
Incredibility.
Okay, so now
oh
it's
yeah.
delightful.
ไม่เอา
Delightful.
delightful
Delightful.
delightfulness
Delightful.
delightfulness
That's adjective.
Delight.
like happiness delightfulness
Delightful.
Yes, delight.
how about delightfulness like happiness
Delightfulness.
Yes, sometimes we use delightfulness.
But as an adjective form.
No, nuts is noun form.
delight อ่ะว้าละ
Delight is
noun เหรอ happy หรือไม่หรือ noun อ่ะรู้นะอ่ะ
Delight is only noun.
Noun
We use as a noun.
not adjective
Adjectives is delightful.
oh
Here you see that adjective is delightful.
delight adjective เป็นไหมล่ะ delight itself
Delight itself is noun.
Fun.
Delighted.
Delighted. You can use
yeah
delighted.
like for example empty and emptiness emptiness is noun
Emptiness is a noun.
oh okay I'm getting confused
Yeah. Okay, so for adverb for it, delightful.
delightfully
Yes, good, delightfully. And the verb is also delightful. And then how about funny?
me
Fun.
fan
Fun.
Okay, fan. And adverb.
Funnily.
Finally.
Yeah, funnily. F-U and then
I-L-L-Y.
Yeah, funnily. And then serious.
Seriousness.
Seriousness.
Yeah, seriousness. Right. Adverb is
seriously
seriously original.
Serious.
Huh?
originality
Serious don't have a
It's just a serious.
Verb.
serious is adjective.
And
And it doesn't have verb.
verb.
It has a noun.
original
It is noun to be serious.
Original.
Okay, for original. Origin and
originally
Originally. Originally.
yeah, original is correct. And then origin and is there any more noun form related to the people?
origin
Original.
origin
Original.
Related to the people or maybe something who studied.
monkey
Originally.
God.
I don't know
Wait. Originator.
originator
Yeah.
Originate.
I said interpreter, right?
how about adverb originally right
Yeah, originally.
Originator.
Also originator and entrepreneur.
Huh? No.
no they're not the same originator တကယ် originate စ
야, 배야. 외국에서 누가 괜찮네.
야ဥမာဒီအခန်းထဲ originators gay ဆိုသူအဲ့လို yeah
Okay, so how about verb for original?
originate
Yes, originate. And then creative.
creativity
Creativeness, and then
creation no
yes, creation. You can use creation. How about the people?
creator
Oh yes, creative.
creature
Okay, we can use creator as well, right? And then adverb. Creatively, and verb is
create
yes, create. Okay, thank you.
yeah
So next one. Next one, number 5. Okay, we'll skip 4. You have to, notice that there are different possible ending for adjective in English, right? So here in adjective, the first one ended with ing, right? So the example here is interesting, amazing, tiring, and fascinating and boring. Okay, and then next one, special. Okay, let's think about some of the adjective ending with al.
Original.
al or maybe il. Il would be better, right?
Basically.
No, basically.
Original.
Al would be easy. There are
Which one
many
we're saying
words
right now?
for end with al.
Amazing.
A-O.
The adjective end with
internal
Illusional.
internal
External.
Internal.
Yeah.
No.
External.
Illusional.
Charger.
External is the adjective.
Delusional.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Delusional.
I think so.
internal
Additional.
Additional.
Additional. Yep.
Illusional.
Delusional.
personal
Personal.
Dramatical.
Okay, grammatical. Okay, now let's go to incredible. BLE.
BLE.
BLE. Ending with BLE.
Able.
Able.
Adorable. Formidable.
Adorable, formidable,
Indescribable.
suitable
suitable,
Perishable.
The perishable, yeah.
Perishable.
Yeah, the perishable.
Okay,
down.
Economics.
Okay, now let's go to the
Doable.
fuel.
what?
Doable.
Fuel.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Delightful.
Yeah, delightful.
Harmful.
Harmful.
Powerful.
Harmful.
Harmful. Harmful.
Powerful.
Powerful.
Careful.
Careful.
Colorful.
Yeah, colorful. Now let's go to
Yeah, that's one.
yeah, you all again.
Welcome to the gay community.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, okay, now let's go to Fanny and White. And White.
Happily.
And White.
Or NY. Funny. NY.
Fanny is already there.
Huh?
Happy.
NY.
Funny, yes. See you
Cozy.
at NY or see you at
Can you please repeat?
Okay, the adjective end with NY.
And why?
And what? That and with and why?
NY, yes. Candy.
Okay.
Many.
Nothing and on many. Many is adjective word.
Now. Money.
Many.
M-O-N-Y.
Sandy.
Or
Yes, Sandy. Okay.
Windy.
Windy is not D Y.
No, and
And white.
no W-I.
Whitney.
Witness.
No, with nuts is not.
Ne. Okay, never mind.
And why?
Yeah.
Tiny.
Tiny. T-I-N-Y.
Tiny.
Thankful.
Tiny.
T-I-N-Y.
Yeah, tiny.
deny.
D and Y.
D-E-N-Y.
D and Y. Deny. Deny is adjective.
No.
That is a verb. Yeah. You have to think about adjective.
That's
Yeah,
right.
it's okay. No problem. He has his right to say.
Agony. Agony is now.
Agony.
Yeah, how about this
Agony.
one?
Agony.
Yeah, agony.
Destroy.
We call it alcoholic.
Destroy.
This one, Jesse.
Mama sayo.
No, this right. This right.
Oh, you guys.
Okay, so now let's go to IOUS.
Mysterious.
Mysterious.
Oh.
Continuous.
Dangerous.
IOUS.
US one. No.
Serious.
Serious.
Conscious. Barbie.
Serious already there.
Religious.
Unconscious. Unconscious.
And conscious. Yeah.
Delicious.
Delicious. Yes.
And delicious.
Confusion.
Okay, delicious and delicious. Not.
Gracious.
And
Ungaseous.
Hilarious.
Okay, hilarious.
Not hilarious. Various.
Mobius.
Okay.
Obvious.
Obvious. So now let's go to NAL. Here's the original.
Signal not like
Signal. Yes.
Signal not like
Signal.
Signal nào một.
More surrender, baby.
Signal ပြရဲဘာညာ now
ဆိုတော့ဒီကနေ့ tube
တော့ထိုက်全部ကောင်းမတော့
ဟုတ်တယ်ဘာလို့ငါသွားတိုက်တာငါက
sensor ရကောင်းတယ် sensor ရကော
ဆို
င်း
တော့လည်းမကောင်း
ငါဟွာလေကလေးတွေတိုက်တဲ့ jelly
ဟာမကောင်းဆို
အဲ့ဒါကောင်းတယ်စားလို့ရရဲ့
ဟုတ်တယ်သူတို့လည်းငါဆိုငါတင်းထမင်းတယ်စား
You're real.
ဒီကနေစားလို့စားရှိတယ်ဘာစားစားကြည့်တယ်ဘာလဲတော့လည်းဘာလဲ
ငါဒီရောက်သမင်းစားပါမယ်
Conscious.
Suspiciously.
No, NAL. NAL.
Personal. Personal.
ဘာ
Personal. Yes.
蛇舔的会啊
Okay. So now let's go to next one. IBE.
IV
IBE. Here's a creative.
Positive.
Adjective IB.
positive
Positive.
negative
positive
Survive. Survive is a verb.
Talkative.
Talkative. Yes.
teacher alive
Life. Life is adjective.
yeah
Sensitive.
Is it adjective? Life is
yeah
adjective.
I feel alive.
I don't want
Yeah,
oh like I wanna unalive myself that's adjective
Mhm.
I also want to underlive it.
hi
We can die.
yeah
How about
Nice.
not positive? Not positive.
Not positive. Oh, okay.
And not negative. And positive and negative.
Ah, okay. You're making a new dictionary or new words for the
No,
dictionary.
that's legal.
Okay.
Illegal.
Okay, so now let's go to next one. Next one on page number. Okay, so page number 10. Do you see? Look at how preference and suggestion phrases are followed by infinitive.
What is it?
Language tip. Okay, so there is the box, right? You can use with an infinitive and to infinitive and ing form. So if you want to show preference or your suggestion, you can use these phrases, right? So why don't we, let's verb to do, right? Here do is a verb to do. I suggest we, blah 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 blah. Can we, like that, okay? So how would you say, by using those phrases, okay, to tell that? Number A, okay, there is an example, buying new trainers or a birthday present for someone. So ask one said, why don't you buy those new trainers we saw in town? And then Crystal said, no, I don't think so, Maria. It's my mom's birthday next month and I prefer. They use I to prefer, okay? Crystal used I to prefer. And then Maria said, why don't you buy, okay? So you have to use such kind of phrases by telling, okay, let's tell that. A said, going shopping or staying home to study. So how would you say that by using the phrases above in the box?
Would you like to go shopping?
Okay, would you like to go shopping? Yes.
Unique shopping.
Would you like to go shopping or how would you answer? How would the answerer say that? Because stay home or to study. Because for the example, the questioner said buy a new trainer, right? But the answer say a birthday present for someone, right? So there must be two persons, right? The first one say that, would you like to go shopping? So B, how would you answer that?
No.
B must answer staying home to study, right?
How about
So-
staying home to study?
Yeah, you have to use that phrase to answer.
Yes, I have. Well, I have to study tonight, but I will just study later. I will come with you.
Mhm. So which phrase did you use?
Going shopping.
No, I mean that the phrase you must use the phrases in the box.
I'd rather stay at home instead.
Okay, I'd rather stay at home to study. Yeah, you can use like that.
Oh, I think we should go shopping instead of studying.
Wait, okay. I think we should.
Yeah. Shopping. We should go shopping.
Shopping.
No. The questioner asks you, would you like to go shopping? So your answer must related to staying home to study.
Yeah, I said I think we should go shopping instead of studying at home.
But you can say
stay at home.
I think we should stay home to study instead of going shopping.
How about we should go to shopping?
No. This is not asking what you want, okay? The answer asks you what you must answer.
I see.
You are forbidden.
Okay, so be eating Italian or Japanese food in a restaurant. Love. So eating Italian or Japanese food in a restaurant.
Japanese food, of course. No, I prefer Italian.
Protection.
That's his friend's love. That's his friend's love.
真的
Bro love.
Rules love.
Romance.
Home
Yeah. Hey, smart there.
ESL. Sir.
You look like a smart.
You look like a catchy wife.
This is like retail. Okay? So he needs to only just blue one.
Oh,
이마지요.
Yes, you do.
I love that picture. I like that.
But you should take a photo together with this photo.
Yeah, yeah.
I want you to be mine.
Wait,
Wait.
Oh.
That's the one we talked about.
You know.
Yeah.
I want you to be mine. Don't.
Okay, so you need to paint yourself in blue.
Why?
Okay, paint yourself in blue. So you will start.
Oh, you could dress us like for the next Hollywood movie.
Okay. So let's go to eat in Italian or Japanese food in a restaurant. EK, what would you say about eat in Italian?
Wait. 루사마라. 루사마라. Oh, I didn't hear the food. Okay, I didn't hear it.
I suggest.
I didn't hear it.
You're talking about
That's how much I did.
Shoot.
Like, both of them are okay for her and me. Good food or people.
What the heck?
Okay. Alina, do you know what are you talking?
Yes, I prefer both Italian food or Japanese food. I like all of them.
Yeah, that's it's related. Okay, we are talking about related to the food. Okay, not related to the human.
What?
Spaghetti.
I'm not asking which Italian food you like. You have to make a sentence here, okay? You have to make a sentence here. Oh my god.
I like.
Oh my god, I'm going to the heaven.
I like.
She's speaking.
Yes.
I suggest we eat Italian food.
I suggest
We eat
We eat Italian food.
okay, I suggest we eat Italian food, or you can say I suggest eating Italian food.
Sir.
Okay, Italian food, right?
Yeah, I prefer to.
Yeah, so
No.
okay, so how would you reply for Japanese food in a restaurant?
Then as well, let's
Are
body.
you still there?
Yeah.
Or playing game?
No.
She's not playing game. Playing game.
So what would you do? What would you tell about Japanese food?
Japanese food in
Not Japanese.
Japanese.
Okay, Japanese.
Japanese food in Nihongo.
Nihonma. Nihonji. Ohio. 오신지.
这边在高于Ohio。
주변하는 거 말로 그냥 꼬야 생각이 오하이 부산이 말로.
I suggest eating Japanese food in restaurant.
Okay. And then, so I think I should skip C and D because you have already familiar the pattern, right?
Yup.
Yeah.
Oh, but I wanted to ask to Andrew.
Okay.
Andrew, C.
Sí.
Yeah, we're gonna spend other cinema.
Hola, sí. Gracias. Gracias. Por favor.
Hola. Sorry, hola. I think we should do.
I think we should. We should.
I think we should watch.
Film other cinema. Nana with your morning.
The cinema where it's closed.
Okay, so now to 6. Let's go to 6. Listen very carefully for 6. There's a competition has just been announced. An area of land near your school is going to be developed. So for the competition, you need to make a short speech to your school friends, giving your preference and reason for the development of the land. So you have to plan your speech. It might be helpful to write down some idea like this. So there is the example. That's just example, okay? You can create as you wish. Here I learn a shopping center, a restaurant, and cupboard for the library, okay? So here after library there is a detail one. Why library is needed and what we can have in the library. Okay, so here detailed expressions that could include computer, library, many books and shelves, or library, blah blah blah. Okay. So the land beside shopping center, restaurant, library, cupboard, they are just only main idea. And then if you want to go to specific, there is an explanation about library, could include computer, or some books, and blah 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 like that. Are you okay? Yeah. So you have to draw and you have to plan your speech like that.
Like this?
Yes.
Is this a spider diagram?
Yeah. The example here.
Yeah.
We have to fill in my now.
No. You have to fill in or you have to create it yourself.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
like the drawing and
Yeah.
that is different from that.
No. You can make this one. You can take this one as an example. Right? Land doesn't change, right? Because you are there about developing the land, right? So for the land, what do you need? What do you think?
For the sport competition.
What competition, Jeff?
I'm not talking about you. This is a serious time.
What competition is it?
Like
Speech.
Oh,
You
so
have
we
to give a speech.
based on the new developed
Yes.
area,
Okay.
and should we talk about what we could do there and
What we should do there.
do for the competition.
No.
No.
You have to give a speech
Yeah.
in the speech competition like that.
Oh.
Okay, there is a competition. Give me the speech.
Oh.
Listen to me or shall I continue?
Oh.
Well, listen to me or shall I continue?
Is it? Aren't they the same thing?
Yeah, the same thing.
Yes. Go on.
Because you were disrupting of my.
My apologies, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So in that one, there is a competition giving a speech
Yeah.
related to how developing about the learn, right? So you have to think about in that learn what should they do. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe for example, if you think there should have a restaurant, right? So learn and then after that draw the. You have to draw like that.
Is that a restaurant? Can you go into other
As you want. So here this is the topic, right? So your idea would be like a restaurant or maybe like a gym, but you must have detailed information. Why you need gym? Okay, why they must have a gym or like that, right? Okay, now
So we need to put the school in this map.
you don't need.
Because they said
So we need to.
school. It's a neon our school.
So
Read the instructions.
yeah,
Now
near our school.
read the instructions. Read the instructions.
I did it.
You did it. You don't understand.
wait.
I
So
do now.
Yeah.
so teacher, it says giving your preferences, so I can state my opinions on it
Yeah,
and
yes.
how it should be. Okay.
This is only just an example.
Okay.
Yeah, you can add your preference.
Nice.
I mean, 그거 지난도 가는 거 국가 인증을 가는 거예요. 그래 아주 항상 맞으면서 하면 사를 양팔이 봐서 그냥 뭐든지 이거 아니 타세. 맞아 버스는 거 없나? 자, 잠만 얘기가.
你看我记得了，
I'm making such
어 이제.
这就是爱跟人跑。没得啊，你阿婆没有。
do the targeted.
아, 뭐 그냥.
哦，那这本其实太一样了。有人啊，你写概念。 那么
와.
Okay. So you have to prepare for a 7-minute speech. Okay. We are. You have to give a speech next week.
Wait, teacher, really?
What kind of speech?
What kind of
So what's the topic?
This one.
Welcome students.
Teacher, about this.
Yeah.
This is
Okay, you have to prepare. Listen.
Speech for what?
Listen. Okay. You have to. You are having a speech for that, and you must prepare for 7 minutes.
Are we taking some kind of test? Oh yeah.
Okay.
왜 zoom이 들어가?
And you know who's already, you know.
So prepare